Good morning, my dear students. I hope that you have watched my previous video which I have given you last week. So, in continuing the same chapter, weather and climate, I am going to define or describe you the other topic of the same chapter which I have left. So today I am going to start with weather forecast. What is weather forecast? Weather forecast. Weather forecast is predicting what the weather will be like at a certain time in the near future in a given location. Or we can say weather forecasts are made by collecting quantitative data about the current state of the atmosphere at a given place and using scientific understanding of atmosphere. Or all these meteorological stations which are there are using various instruments to gather a wide range of data on the basis of which weather maps are prepared. So we start with, now next topic is the weather instruments which are there to measure the weather or climatic conditions. Weather instruments are very helpful to measure the weather and climatic condition of a place. These are very helpful in collecting climatic data or making maps or making charts. There are so many instruments which are used to calculate or to measure the weather and climatic conditions. They are like thermometer. Thermometer measures the temperature. Barometer measures atmospheric pressure. Hygrometer measures the relative humidity. Rain gauge measures the amount of rainfall. Wind vane and anemometer is helpful to measure the wind. Wind anemometer is a machine or an instrument which are used to measure the wind speed. So in this way we are measuring the weather and the climatic condition. Now you can see, or I will explain in detail about these instruments. I am showing you an image of a thermometer. A thermometer is a device used for measuring temperature. This ice-covered thermometer shows that the temperature is about 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It can measure the temperature of a solid such as food, a liquid such as water, or a gas such as air. Next is a barometer. A barometer is a scientific instrument that is used to measure air pressure in a certain environment. Pressure tendency can forecast short-term changes in the weather. Many measurements of air pressure are used within surface weather analysis to help find surface strokes, pressure systems, and frontal boundaries. I am showing you an image of a barometer. Next is hygrometer. A hygrometer is an instrument used to measure the amount of water vapor in air, in soil, or in confined spaces. Humidity measurement instruments usually rely on measurements of some other quantities such as temperature, pressure, mass, a mechanical or electrical change in a substance as moisture is absorbed. Next is a rain gauge. A rain gauge is an instrument used by meteorologists and hydrologists together and measure the amount of liquid precipitation over an area in a predefined period of time. I am showing you some images of rain gauge. Next is wind vane and anemometer. To describe the wind in a specific site, you must know both its speed and direction. An anemometer is a weather instrument that measures wind speed, and its direction can be determined with a wind vane. The strength of wind forces is related with speed, while wind direction tells where these forces will push from. I am showing you an instrument of wind vane. Next, what is isotherms? Isotherms are places having equal temperature and are joined by imaginary lines called isotherms. Lines joining places having same or equal amount of rainfall are called isohyets. And these are lines that connect all places that have the same atmospheric pressure. These are isobars. So this is all about the chapter. I am showing you word isotherms. Next I am showing you an isohyet map.